can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is tonibryanne, and my channel is all about beauty, fashion, and discovery. And if you guys want to see more content from me, please go ahead and click that subscribe button right now down below. Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out nude lip colors. To be specific, NYX's nude lip glosses. They're butter gloss set, and we're basically just going to see how these lip glosses are and if they really are pretty good nude lip colors. So I purchased 5 lip glosses, 5 of their nude colors, or that are supposedly supposed to go with a nude lip, and I'm super excited. We're going to test out each of them. We're going to see how they look, specifically on black women, because as you guys know, a lot of makeup companies do not cater to black women as much as they do white women, so I thought it'd be like a perfect time just to try them out and test them out, because I've been wanting to try these and get my hands on these for a while. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. My lips are probably gonna be dry as hell by the end of this video, but we're gonna do this, okay? Okay. So I'm gonna start off with a brown lip liner. This is from the beauty supply store. It's an eyebrow / lip liner pencil, if you guys were curious, but yeah. So the first butter gloss I'm gonna test out is Eclair, I think it is. We're gonna test it out and see how it looks with the lip liner and see how it looks as like a pink girly, I guess, glossy lip, so we'll see. Okay guys, so I just tried on Eclair. I think it's called Eclair or something. And the first butter gloss, this is the lightest shade, and it gives off like this purple look on me. I actually really like it. This butter gloss in general, I've used butter gloss before with like a darker color though, and I've talked about that other butter gloss in my video if you guys want to see my lip gloss collection video that I did about a year ago. But yes, this is so cute. This is the lightest color, but it looks about purple on me when I mix it with the brown lip liner, and I like it. It's really pretty. I thought it'd be a little bit lighter. I was expecting more of like a pinky vibe, but I like it a lot. I think it's cute. It looks good on my brown skin. It gets my brown skin, and yeah, I would definitely give this like a 10 out of 10. It's cute. So the next NYX butter gloss I'm trying is the Creme Brulee. So I'm really excited to try this specific one because I heard a lot of good reviews about it when it comes to black women and making more like a nude lip combination. So let's try this out. So this is the combination I finished off with. This is with Creme Brulee, and I think it looks really similar to the very first one I used, wherever it is. I don't know where I put it, but Eclair is very similar to it, but it looks really pretty. It's like this pinkish color. The brown lip liner I think makes it turn. It looks a little bit lighter than the first one actually, which is weird. But yeah, it's a really pretty color. It looks good on me. Once again, the butter gloss feels like butter. It's so like nice and smooth, and I really like this combination. Like I said, it looks very similar to like the initial one, so I can't really say too much. Like I like it. It's just as good as the first. So yeah, I hope with the next lip color I'm gonna get something a little bit different because I feel like it looks so similar to Eclair, but Eclair and Creme Brulee, at least on me, look very similar. So let's just move on to the next lip combo. The next NYX butter gloss I'm trying is Fortune Cookie. Fortune Cookie is supposed to be like the perfect nude once again, so I'm really excited to try out Fortune Cookie and see how it looks on me, specifically black women. Well, my color, my shade, whichever. So yeah. So now I have on Fortune Cookie, and I like Fortune Cookie. It gives me more of a nude lip vibe than like the first two. It's a really pretty color. I like it, and I think the only thing I will say about it is that it could probably make your lips look a little bit ashy, like the color, but I really do. I think I like it. I think it's a good color. Let me look at my phone. But yeah, it definitely gives more of like the nude lip vibe. So I like this one a little bit more than the very first one. I like the first one because I like the pink, but this is like nice if I'm like really looking for like a nudish color. So yeah. So now we're moving on to NYX Madeline's butter gloss, and I'm so excited to try this one as well. Once again, a lot of these colors I did see like people talk about, rave about, so I'm excited to see how this one looks. I particularly heard about Madeline a lot, so I'm really excited to try out Madeline and see how she looks on my lips. Okay guys, so this is Madeline. Madeline looks very similar to Fortune Cookie. A lot of them look really similar, really close. But what I do like about Madeline is that it looks like a perfect lip gloss. Like it doesn't look like there's lip liner on my lips at all. Like it blended in with my lip liner really well. So I do like that about it. But It's not like a lip gloss that I'm in love with. Like, I'm not in love with it, but it is really, really nice color. Definitely not my favorite yet. All these NYX butter glosses I'm not like raving over. Like, I think they look really cute, but like nothing that's like, oh my god, I found my perfect nude lip. So I don't know, maybe it's my lip liner that's like off. Maybe that's the case. Maybe I need to get like a better lip liner, but I like it. It's cute. It's like a 10 out of 10. Like, I like all of them. That's why I keep saying it's like a 10 out of 10, because they are really good lip glosses, but nothing like for me to like rave about like the color and all that. Like, as for like how it feels on my lips and how it looks, like it looks good on me too, but it's not like that perfect nude I'm looking for. But hopefully the next one that I'm trying out, which is NYX's Butter Gloss Praline, wherever she is, maybe she'll do the trick, so we shall see. Alright guys, so my camera ran out of space while I was putting on Praline, but this is Praline on my lips now. So I did one thing different when applying on this lip gloss. I kept feeling like the pink of my lips were showing through a lot through the lip gloss, so I decided to put concealer on as well with the lip liner, and I think that helped a lot with just showcasing the color more. So with Praline, I will say that I'm not like the biggest fan of it. I think it's okay. I don't really like the color that much. And yeah, I like the other ones a lot better than Praline. Like, Praline's just alright. I don't know, I just don't like the color. It's the color for me. I don't like the color. But yeah, I really think that the butter glosses in general are like really nice colors. But Praline I'm not the biggest fan of. My number one favorite was definitely, I would have to say, Fortune Cookie. Fortune Cookie was so cute. I loved Fortune Cookie. My least favorite was Praline, and the other ones I loved a lot. Like, I really liked them. I still have not found my perfect nude lip color, I don't think. I'll have to probably watch this video and see what I like again, because I'm obviously I'm not probably seeing as clearly because of like the angle I'm sitting at, and then plus when I'm actually like sitting there staring at myself editing this video, maybe I'll be able to find it, like which color I like the best that suited my face the best. But yeah, I definitely would recommend these butter glosses if you are looking for a perfect nude lip. I'm gonna test it around a little bit. I think I just need a better lip liner. I feel like my lip liner is what's throwing it all, because my lip liner is cheap, and I probably need to invest in like a more expensive and a better lip liner. I just don't want to spend $18 on a lip liner. I feel like that's so dumb, but a lot of the really good lip liners I hear girls like recommend, they're always like in the 18s and $20 range, versus my little $2 lip liner that's just not that good. But yeah, this is the end of this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please comment down below what your favorite color was, and please let me know other nude colors that you may think that will look really nice on me or on anybody else, on black women specifically, whether it's from NYX or another company. I would love to know in the comments. And I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.